Hi guys, so a little update. I am back at the gym today. So it's been just over a week since I last went to the gym. So I had quite a bit of a break from the gym. Quite a big long walk on Sunday, like I said earlier. So that's pretty much the only thing I've been doing really in terms of exercise, I suppose, other than bits and pieces at work. Um, I've had a bit more advice from physios, and they've had a little bit of look of my ankles, and they feel that that's part of the reason why I'm getting quite a bit of pain in my knee. So basically, I've got quite weak muscles in my ankles, and they're very tight. So kind of quite common with people who are quite tall. So they've given me some stretches to stretch out my calves. I got really bad balance. I knew that anyway. And basically what they said is because of the instability from there, I'm putting a lot more pressure on my knee. So my knee's taking a lot more of the impact, and to sort of keep me upright. So, like I said before on the previous vlog, um, didn't really get sort of knee pain until the last couple of weeks, and maybe that's sort of like a little bit of maybe I don't really want to say sort of a flaw, but maybe something that could be improved on the Couch to 5K app is maybe some more sort of like strengthening exercises on like core muscle strength as well, because I think it's fine when you're just doing sort of 1 minute runs, but when they get a lot longer, you're putting those muscles and those joints into um, you're working them a lot harder, and actually it could do with a few sort of like strengthening activities really, the app. There are a few advice things that you can access through the app. I don't think they're the easiest to necessarily find, but there is some sort of like help pages and some advice pages as well that come with the app, which is quite helpful. So yeah, so today I am at the gym, but I'm not planning on running today. I'm gonna cycle instead, just because it will be less impact on my knee. I'm not getting the pain I was getting, what I've been getting the last few days. Yesterday I was still in a bit of pain, but today it's been all right really. It doesn't feel normal, I wouldn't say, but it's not been painful. So I'm gonna cycle, which I think will be a bit easier, just to keep my cardiovascular up and stuff. I've got 4 weeks on Sunday. I'll be doing my run, so I've still got time to finish the Couch to 5K app at the moment. So there's 10 more runs that I need to do to finish it. So I'm planning on doing this today, a bit of strengthening exercises. I'm going to be doing some strengthening each day. I've been given some exercises to do at home, so I'm going to do them. And then on Sunday I'm going to do my 25-minute run, hopefully. If I struggle, then I might go back to the beginning of week 6 and start again. So I'm going to see how it goes really. But yeah, I'm going to attempt to do that. If I can do the 25-minute run, then I'm just going to go straight into week 7 next week. But if not, I'm going to start back at week 6. I'm hoping that will work, because I would like a little bit of a break before the actual run. Because the last thing I want is to have just 2 days rest and then I'll be doing my big run. Because if I get an injury flare up again, then it might ruin it a bit. I'm feeling really positive at the moment, mainly because I've been getting a few more donations this week. It's really nice. So because I didn't run, I used the time just to update my Just Giving page. So check the link below if you'd like to have a look at that update, and just sort of like why I'm running. So running for the Aspinall Foundation, like I said earlier. So we're at 75% of my Just Giving target now. So my target's just £100. That's what I'm aiming for. I'm at £75 at the moment. So that's made me a lot happier, because I didn't think anyone was really that bothered. Friends and family just didn't seem to be donating, but I've had a few donations now. So yeah, which is nice. Not their fault, but It's just, I suppose, animal conservation doesn't always tick everyone's sort of list of charities to donate for. I think if I was running for something like cancer research, I know a lot more people would probably donate, but because it's for animals, I don't think some people really get it. But you know, each their own. That's what I'm passionate about, and that's what I want to support. So I'm supporting animal conservation, and yeah, it's nearly up the target, not long to go now. So I'm going to go into the gym, and I will let you know how I get on. And I am absolutely starving. Hi guys, I thought I'd just give a little update, as I haven't really been vlogging much over the past couple of weeks. So I had initially planned to sort of do a vlog each week, but it's proved a bit harder than what I thought really. A lot of time and effort goes into actually uploading them. So yeah, so where are we now? So we're 2 weeks away from my first 5k run, so I'm going to post this on Sunday, and then I'll do one more video just after I've done the run, just to let you guys know how I got on. And then I don't know where to take the channel from there really. So if you've got any ideas, maybe post some ideas below. But I've got a few ideas that I've written down, but not quite sure what to do yet. So today I am at the gym. I've sort of given up doing the Couch to 5k app now, just because I'd done a run, I think it was last week, using the Under Armour Map My Run app, and I kind of preferred using that. I think because I've already run 5 kilometers now after completing week 7, I just felt there was no point carrying on doing that for the sake of doing it, because I'd already reached that goal. So now I'm doing the Map My Run, so going out just around the area and stuff, and seeing how far and how quick I can do each run. So, and I found that a little bit more interesting. And also, when I get to a kilometre, it comes up onto my headphones that I've just finished a kilometre and what my average pace is, and I quite like having those sort of stats, what time I did it in and all that. So I can sort of keep track on my time using that app rather than the Couch to 5k app. But what I would say is, anyone sort of starting, getting into running, actually I found it quite a nice sort of gentle way of getting into running. So it definitely helped. Definitely would recommend it for anyone looking into getting into running or just getting into general sort of fitness really. So yeah, so like I say, when you watch this there'll be a week to go, so happy days, wish me luck. Today I'm just going to go to the gym, do some gym work. Probably won't vlog when I come out. I'll just give maybe an update before I post this. Yeah, before I post this vlog, I'll try and make an update. Either that'll be today or a bit later on in the week. So yeah, I've got 2 weeks to go at the moment. But when you watch this, it'll be a week to go. So yeah, feeling good. Hi everyone, so I just thought I'd better round off this this video and this series of vlogs. So as you know, it's sort of given up doing the weekly vlog, so there should have been about 10, but the last few weeks have just been a bit manic, a bit crazy, a lot harder than what I thought it'd be actually to keep up with that goal of doing a vlog every week. Just too much going on really. So this is the last lap vlog. Today is actually the day after my run for rhinos, so I've actually already completed the 5k. I used the 5k app at the beginning up to about week 7, and then after that I started using the Track My Run app by Under Armour. I just found that once I got to a point where I was able to run for a decent amount of time, I just wanted to, I found the stats of Track My Run a lot more interesting than necessarily doing the Couch to 5k app. But I would highly recommend the Couch to 5k app, especially for beginners. It got me into running. I would definitely wouldn't have been able to complete yesterday as well as I did had I not done the Couch to 5k app. I didn't do any running before, and it's just sort of broke me in quite gently. So the last time I left you, I think I was sort of running 25-28 minutes, I think it was. The last 3 weeks of the Couch to 5K app are actually 25-minute runs back to back, and then 28-minute runs followed by 30-minute runs, and you do three a week of those. So I've pretty much done that. Some weeks I only managed to get out twice to do runs, just because there was quite a few things that happened in my personal life. But you'll be glad to know that actually in the run yesterday at Port Lymphe, I managed to come 9th overall. So really proud of that, because it was my first run. There was hundreds of people there. The event had sold out. I didn't really know what a good benchmark would be, because I'd never run a 5K. And I think I mentioned before, Port Lymphe is built on a hill, and it is ridiculously hilly. Like one of the last hills was like that. It was absolutely insane. I ended up power walking up the last hill, just because I felt my legs were going slower running than what I could walk up the hill. It was that steep. So it was a really big challenge yesterday. It was a really hot day as well. Absolutely beautiful day. But there was parts of the park that was in the shade, which was lovely, and then other parts were a bit more open. Managed to finish it around 35 minutes, so I'll post some pictures and a couple of videos that we did from the run just at the end of this vlog to show you how I got on. So yeah, finished 9th, got a medal. We managed to raise £150 for the Aspinall Foundation, so they are supporting with animal conservation efforts. For this run, it was focused on rhino conservation. They do a lot of conservation work in trying to increase and protect the black rhino population in South Africa. So brilliant cause, so I'm glad I was part of it, and now I'm thinking about doing another run. So yeah, if you're thinking of getting into something, if you're feeling a bit low or feel a bit like you want to get a bit healthier, maybe you're going to the Disney parks or something, just want to get fit for getting around those marathon parks, then yeah, I would recommend the Couch to 5K app. I think it's really good. Like I say, the last few, once you get to about week 6, week 7, I think you can sort of do your own thing really. Yeah, that's me over. So thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting me. Really appreciate it. So yeah, if you've got any recommendations for runs or any recommendations for future vlogs or anything that you'd be interested in, then leave a comment below, hit like and hit subscribe. Thanks a lot.